Welcome to 3604 Quail Ridge Drive. Please come in and take a tour. Large, covered front porch greets the visitors and grants shelter from the elements. Welcome sign to the subdivision. The living room presents a trio of transom-topped windows capturing a wide-screen view of the pool and yard. Unique, raised ceiling in the formal dining room underscores the spacious feeling. Light-filled breakfast area adjoins the cook's delight kitchen. Atrium door leads to the covered patio and pool. Award-winning kitchen boasts a bevy of crisp, white cabinets, granite-topped counters, pantry, and stainless steel appliances. Elliptical arch defines the Texas-sized master suite from the adjoining sitting area/office. View towards the master bath. Eye-catching, raised ceiling accommodates a high-set arched window, allowing for furniture placement versatility. Close-up view of the adjoining sitting area/office. Double, raised vanities flank the deep soaking tub. Also featured are dual entry walk-in closet and separate shower enclosure. Guest half bath is tucked off the hallway leading to the triple bay garage. Study center or kids' playroom is conveniently positioned between the two minor bedrooms. Front-facing minor bedroom has plush carpeting, accent wall color, and chair rail for display of collectibles. Full-size bath with twin bowl vanity accessible from both minor bedrooms. Third bedroom also features plush carpeting, lighted ceiling fan, and spacious closet. Another living or media room on the second level sports wood flooring and ample wall space to accommodate any size of entertainment unit. Large walk-in closet doubles as a space-efficient office. Another part of the loft area pulls extra duty as dining room nook and mini kitchen, or could be a wet bar area. Plush carpet blankets the floor in the fourth bedroom, outfitted with ceiling fan, twin closets, and a bird's-eye view of the backyard. Custom-designed pool boasts 2 waterfalls and hot tub,